Watch.
Good night, Lowell.
Was the night before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their wee little beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their wee little heads. Mama in her kerchief right jolly old elf.
And I laughed and I laughed and I laughed when I saw inside of myself.
He had a broad face and a little round belly that shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly. He gave me a wink of his eye and a twist of his head.
I chuckled and I smiled and I knew all the while I had nothing to dread.
He said not a word, but went straight to his work. He filled all the stockings, then turned with a jerk, and lifting a finger aside of his nose, and giving a nod up the chimney he rolled.
He sprang to his sleigh, to his team, gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim as he drove out of
Tis the night after Christmas, and all through the house not a creature is stirring, not even a mouse. The presents are scattered and broken, I fear, and St. Nicholas won't come again for a year. The children are nestled all snug in their wee little beds, while memories of sugar plums dance in their wee little heads. Mama in her kerchief and I in my cap are settled at last for a long winter's nap.
Okay.